All right, let's take a look at how beautiful it is outside right now. 55 degrees currently at Camp Mabry. Mostly sunny skies for everyone. There were little wisps of clouds when we started off the day, but so far it's not been too bad whatsoever. Look at your humidity. Far down out there. Very, very dry air that we've seen that's really filtered through. Winds have also been calm. That helped us out early in the morning, get us to where we were at, with many spots down below freezing within the hill country, at least pretty cold within the downtown area. I woke up with some frost on my car. You might have as well if you had to get up early in the morning. Today, though, I expect us to rebound back up into the 60s. 65 degrees in Austin, everyone else at around 66 degrees or below, depending on where you're at. But it's the clear skies that we've been dealing with, not only for early this morning, but now expecting for that to continue, that trend to continue over the course of the day today. You can even see here with our satellite and radar, we've had very, very little cloud coverage. And even as we play this out throughout the rest of the day today, I don't expect any clouds to build up whatsoever. That continues overnight tonight, allowing our temperatures to drop one more time. You may get a cloud or two, but all that daytime heating, it's right up into the atmosphere and pretty much gone. All that dry air has also been helping us out as far as not dealing with any cloud coverage whatsoever. Today, we're going to get a sunny day. Tomorrow, it's going to be the exact same thing because all this dry air just continues to filter in. But that works against us as well, because now you're dealing with already dry vegetation. You're dealing with the dry air that's filtering in from the north, and then you're going to start dealing with breezier conditions as we get into the overnight hours. Let's take a look at some of your wind gusts. Today it'll be fine, but look at what happens once we get to early tomorrow morning, 10 a.m. You're starting to get wind gusts coming in at around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Now coming in from the south, so we're already contending with the dry air, the clear skies, the pretty much the dry vegetation that we've been dealing with, and overall, as you can see here, even when we start off on Wednesday morning at 9 a.m., we're still looking at breezier conditions continuing out throughout the day. That continues through Thursday as well. So your wildfire risk for Tuesday will stay at moderate to high, and in fact, I expect some of this will be updated, and we could see high extend just a bit farther to the west. So here's just a reminder about those burn bans that are in effect right now. For most of our viewing area, only Williamson County not on that list as of now. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast as we put this all together. We're going to start warming up through Wednesday into Thursday. Another front comes in, and that'll help us out for Friday. And in fact, stick around.